The KSU and FKGGP, under the leadership of Mr. Ohibad Dakhar, KSU President, and Mr. DS War, Chief Organizing Secretary, FKGGP, Giant Hills Zone, have jointly submitted a complaint with the DTO of West Giant Hills District on the exorbitant fares charged by taxis post-lockdown. As per the complaints, the taxi drivers are currently charging fares which have doubled in amount, even as they have been allowed to take in the regular number of passengers, which is 4. Further, the fares being charged now have either doubled or remained as per the rates set during the lockdown period. The two NGOs went on to state that they are not against the raising of taxi fares in keeping with the hike of fuel price and the need of the hour, but the fares should not be as exorbitant as they are today, which have gone from rupees 50 to 100, from 80 to 150 rupees, and from 100 to 200.
Mentagasni nagaliang jongki arteli kiseng ke KSU bat ke FKGP hadin bangilayo kejing ujor bak kejing ut kejing nyar jong pajba bedai bak kejing kiudor jong ke baikali Mentagasni nagaliang jongi ke arseng mila wan ban kendu yau DTO jong ke West Giant Hills hak bedai bat ke baikali namar kumbangila I hagini kisni kejing kiudor jong ke baikali balalong sepalat wat pai baru tentang senut soban mi na ying ban lek don kam na mar balai kala kiu pelat ni ke baikali tukumta ni ne yang jong keseng hadin ba ngila yo kejing ujor kejing ut na pai ba mentagas ni ngila ikendu yo DTO ha kaban akjos ni bat penhiar ya kejing kiudor jong kali jong ke baikali namar kumbalong hakini ki sngi kisnem baladam ka baikali so example kung bagi sim san pheu tengka handrai menta kala po chika chispa bar ka bagi sai sim pra pheu ko po chispa san pheu bar ka bagi sai sim chispa ko po chispa pheu kani kalong ka kata sikat daya yaki pai ba tiba lek beban bar khamtam kunju ro ya di kena school mar kum menswa kena school ki sai sim bai kali kalong siteng dor mo to kumta ngine kali yang jong keseng ngikir par ro yaki association yaki driver kali bakin ya perkhatlem khnang ba upai ba unom yap ho ngi kali yang jong keseng ngim persai ke jing kiu dor ke bai kali namar balai ngitip ba ke jing kiu dor company yang ke jing kiu dor jong ki spare part kali nrai kidai ban akjos hakata gor kom khnang ba upai ba unom yap ban ngikir part ya ki driver ya ki association jong ki bakin ya perkhat lang bakin ya akjos lang khnang bakin bangin ya imlak tangkata hai ta kublai sibot